The car market's been in crisis mode for a long time, and it's affecting every brand. There are price cuts in Tesla, low earnings to report in Ford, and now Subaru is fluctuating accordingly. In this video, we'll be discussing Subaru prices and also predicting where they might be heading in the next 6 months in the car market. We'll also be going through each Subaru model, helping you figure out which ones might offer better opportunities for discounts and which ones are less likely to have discounts anytime soon. So let's dive in and explore the current Subaru prices and their future trends. To better understand where prices are heading, we must grasp the key factors that influences prices: supply and demand. This fundamental concept from economics plays a crucial role in determining the price of any item, including cars. It affects the car market, housing market, and even your everyday grocery prices. Now, let's take a look at the 2024 Subaru Impreza as an example. By checking the window sticker at any dealership, you can see the car's options in the manufacturer's suggested retail price. This specific Impreza has additional features like a power moonroof, upgraded audio system, and power driver's seat with lumbar support, bringing its total price to $31,752, including destination and delivery charges set by the manufacturer. Given the current high demand from buyers, it's unlikely to find discounts on the 2024 Impreza. Despite being the highest trim level, the Impreza is one of the more affordable Subaru options, making it very popular among buyers. Now, let's shift our focus to the 2023 Forester Sport. If we look at the window sticker, this particular car lacks any optional package and only includes standard equipment. Along with a set of accessories costing $921, the MSRP is $33,411. Similar to the previous example, expect to pay the full MSRP for this Forester Sport, as some dealers may even charge above the manufacturer's suggested retail price due to low demand. Now, let's delve into how we reached this situation. Back in early 2020, during the initial stages of the pandemic, the Federal Reserve lowered interest rates to stimulate spending and boost the economy, hoping to avoid a recession. This led to a surge in demand, exceeding expectations. However, due to partial factory closures caused by the pandemic, vehicle production slowed down. Additionally, shortages of parts and chips further compounded the situation, creating a perfect storm that reduced production levels. As a consequence, when demand increased while production fell, prices rose significantly. Although interest rates have now begun to climb back up, reaching the 8 to 10% range, the demand for cars has slightly declined. However, the decrease in demand hasn't yet caused manufacturers and dealerships to discount vehicles because the inventory hasn't been sitting idle on the lots. Buyer demand hasn't dropped significantly enough for that to happen, as observed from the perspective of somebody working at a Subaru dealer. When seeking a discount on a car, regardless of the manufacturer, it's essential to consider the level of desirability, both for the brand and the specific model. Let's take a closer look at Subaru in terms of brands and models. Subaru, as a whole, is currently recognized as one of the best value options in the car market. However, if you're comparing it to a less desirable brand, the less desirable one may offer more room for negotiation and potential discounts. Among Subaru models, the Subaru Crosstrek stands out as the #1 best-selling model for 2022 and continues to dominate in 2023. Due to its high popularity, it's unlikely to find discounts on this particular model anytime soon. On the other hand, a model like the BRZ, which is not as sought after, may seem like a candidate for special discounts. However, even though the demand for the BRZ is lower, the limited supply of only 2,500 to 3,000 units produced annually keeps its price relatively high. Some dealerships are selling the BRZ at full MSRP or even above it, despite its lower demand as a result of its limited production quantity. This unique situation has led to some customers taking advantage of the market by purchasing the BRZ at a regular price and then selling it to entities like CarMax at a higher price due to its continued demand and limited availability. While this practice might raise ethical concerns, it showcases the impact of supply and demand on car pricing. Now, let's explore the Subaru WRX, Forester, and Outback models in terms of demand and potential discounts. The WRX, similar to the BRZ, doesn't appeal to as large of an audience, but it's produced in larger quantities, making it more likely to see some discounts. Although discounts may not be as substantial as a few years ago, you can still find deals below the MSRP. For example, recently, a 2023 WRX was sold with a $500 discount. The Subaru Forester, along with the Crosstrek and Outback, is very popular. These models are commonly imported from Japan, which can result in a longer waiting time for customers. The demand for Foresters is high, and it may take around 4 months for an ordered Forester to arrive. Due to their popularity, it's challenging to find discounts on the Forester. Similar to the Forester, the Subaru Outback is highly sought after and also imported from Japan. However, the lead time for the Outback is relatively shorter, around 1.5 to 2 months. Despite its popularity, you may find some opportunities for discounts on the less popular version, specifically those equipped with the turbo engine, like the Wilderness or Onyx trims. These trims are not as common as the standard Outback models, and their unique features like off-road tires and additional ground clearance appeal to a more specific group of customers, making them more likely to offer some discounts. If you're interested in a limited XT or a touring XT with turbocharged engines, there's a possibility of getting a discount, though not a significant one. You might be fortunate enough to secure a price just below the MSRP if you're looking for a discount on a new Subaru. The Subaru Ascent, a third-row SUV, is still popular but is our highest priced car. Due to the specific need for a 3-row SUV, there's somewhat less demand for it compared to other models. This means there could be opportunities to find discounts on the Ascent, as they may not sell as quickly as the Crosstrek, Forester, or Outback. The all-electric Subaru Solterra is another option. It ranges in price from around $46,000 to $53,000, depending on the trim level. Currently, the demand for fully electric Subarus is not as high as their gasoline alternatives, as owning an electric vehicle requires additional commitments, such as installing an at-home charger. This might present an opportunity to find discounts on the Solterra, especially since they're produced in limited quantities and dealers typically get only a few of them per year. Finally, we shouldn't forget about the Subaru Legacy. Although they're not produced in large quantities, there isn't a high demand for them. If you come across a Legacy at a local retailer or want to order one, you might have a chance to get a discount due to its lower popularity compared to other Subaru models. So, when looking for a discount on a new Subaru or any car, consider the specific model's demand, as some models might offer better opportunities for discounts than others. In conclusion, if you're looking for a discount on a new car, focus on models with less buyer demand rather than the manufacturer as a whole. Do a thorough research online, ask friends and family, or check forums to identify which cars are in high demand and which ones aren't. Even in an environment with higher interest rates, stronger buyer demand has been observed. However, with additional interest rate increases expected in the near future, affordability might decrease further. The resumption of student loan interest rates in October will also impact millennials and those with college loans, potentially causing some buyers to step out of the market. This situation might put pressure on car prices, leading to possible price reductions in the coming months. Keep an eye out for opportunities to get discounts on less popular models, and don't forget to consider factors like the limited supply and unique features. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you enjoyed it, please consider clicking the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching.